Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Blossom Media Private Limited, I welcome you all to the second edition of Blossom Business Summit, an iconic brand award felicitation ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, we would have loved to host this event physically in a bigger way akin to our first edition. But due to this pandemic, we are hosting it on the virtual platform of Blossom Media and our media partner, The Policy Times. This summit and award is very important for the MSMEs, which is marred by the after effect of this pandemic. So they need something to smile and cheer and transcend into 2021 high on confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, before moving forward with this summit and iconic award celebration, it is only befitting that we acknowledge our sponsors and associates. Without their support, this event of promoting Made in India and going vocal for local through this summit would not have been possible. The title sponsor for this event is Be Safe UVC Sanister, co-sponsored by Adil Computers, outreach partner Compass India Information Private Limited, and media partner The Policy Times. Ladies and gentlemen, the title sponsor Be Safe UVC Sanister is at par with the US technology standard and economical enough to give Chinese brand in this respective category the run for its money. They have all the certifications from the NABL Associate Labs, and it is proven that they provide 99.9% protection from the deadly viruses, harmful bacteria and germs. More interestingly, it is conceptualized, devised and developed by an engineering student. He is just 19 years old. So ladies and gentlemen, let us hear from the man. Let us hear from the teen himself. Introducing you, Muhammad Fahim Abdul Ghaffur Qureshi, founder director, Be Safe UVC Sanister.
Thank you very much for such a wonderful introduction. And yes, we are proud to be a part of this iconic award show and the business summit as the title sponsor. I congratulate all the iconic brand winners. This platform by Blossom Media is very important for the promotion and recognition of Made in India brands. As you rightly said, Be Safe is at par with US technology and is economical enough to give the Chinese brands in the respective field a run for its money. As far as my inspiration is concerned, I am inspired by my father, Mr. Abdul Ghaffur Qureshi. आप लोग उनको पर्सनली जानते नहीं होंगे, लेकिन आप लोगों ने उनका प्रोडक्ट ज़रूर देखा होगा. आप किसी भी मस्जिद में चले जाएं, वहाँ आपको एक ऑटोमेटिक नमाज टाइम इंडिकेटर मिलेगा. ये नमाज टाइम इंडिकेटर मेरे वालिद साहब की इजाद है. He is the first one to develop such a wonderful product. He is the pioneer of this field. For the past 16 years, his company has been supplying these units all over the India and in more than 20 countries. I have seen him from my childhood, observed him. I was quite motivated by his dedication towards this product, Namaz Time Indicator, a quest for the research and development to build such an innovative product. He believes in the hadith, आसानियाँ पैदा करो, दुश्वारियाँ पैदा ना करो. Make things easier, do not make them difficult. He uses technology to make human life easier. I have adopted his style and business principles. Fortunately for me, he is my mentor, my guide, and Be Safe is the result of his influence on me. During this COVID pandemic, many new innovations have entered the global market. Be Safe is one of it. We have developed a wide range of products for disinfection of bacteria and viruses from air and surface. While researching, I came across many US products, but they were too expensive for Indian consumers. While there were some low-cost products, but they don't comply to the quality standards. We strive hard to bridge the gap and provide superior quality product at reasonable price with reliable service support. Hence, we came up with Be Safe UVC Sanisters. Be Safe Sanisters work on the technology of germicidal UVC rays. And as per the NABL testing, our sanisters are designed to kill the bacteria and inactivate the viruses, including SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Apart from UL and ISO, our products are tested by SGS, NABL approved lab. Right from 20 watts to 1000 watts, we have a wide range of products for disinfection of air and surface from all kinds of bacteria and viruses. We have products for schools, colleges, homes, shopping malls, spas and saloons, COVID centers, hospital, and many more. And we at BeSafe can take turnkey projects as well. So you just name it and we can do it. And just to inform you, I have designed a unique and one of its kind product for sanitization of washrooms. So as you are aware that toilets, whether be it personal or public, are prone to spread contagious diseases. So special attention should be paid to keep them clean and sanitized. We are the first to introduce this concept of automated procedure of disinfectioning the toilets after every use. Thank you Blossom Media for giving BeSafe this opportunity to be a part of this event that promotes Made in India brands. I once again congratulate all the iconic brand award winners. With these words, I take leave. Stay safe with BeSafe.
Thank you, Mr. Fahim Qureshi. That was so very interesting, ladies and gentlemen. If the future of India is such, then we definitely have something to be proud of. The co-sponsor of this event is Mumbai-based Adil Computers. Ladies and gentlemen, what started as an experimental project 20 years ago has now developed into a successful business venture. Adil Computer is known among its clients for its after sales and service. Among the elite clients, they have served the Mumbai Police. Adil Computers, after giving service related to laptops and computers, are now venturing into manufacturing their own computers and laptop accessories with the brand name RAF Deal.
Hello everyone, this is Adil Shamsi, CEO of Adil Computers from Mumbai. We are into a business of computer hardware and software since 20 years. What started as an experimental project now became a successful business. We are proud that Adil Computers is known for after sales and service. Among our elite clients, we had also served Mumbai Police. Being selected as an iconic brand is a matter of pride for us. We thank our customer, jury and Blossom Media for this opportunity. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone and thank you so much.
The outreach partner for this event is Compass India Information Private Limited. It was founded in 1947. Now they have presence in more than 75 countries and are available in 25 different languages. Compass is the best platform to reach international clients and contacts from their 36 million strong and updated database. So if the Indian brands wants to go global, then Compass platform is perfect and should be utilized. So we thank Compass India Information for being the outreach partner for this summit. The media partner for this event is the Policy Times. Policy Times is available on web and YouTube. In the span of just 2 years, Policy Times has carved a niche for itself. This is a platform where you will find luminaries of national and international repute sharing insights, thoughts, deliberations on subject which matters to us and international audience, which is related to social, business and policies. And last but not the least, we should also thank Indian Center for Research and Promotion. It is the service of Indian Center of Research and Promotion ICPR that they have screened thousands of MSME companies from across Pan India and given us the database of the winners whom will be awarded in this show. So we thank all our sponsors and associates without whom this Blossom Business Summit and Iconic Award would not have been possible. And Blossom Media, the organizer of this event, deserved a mention. Blossom Media is a 360-degree marketing body. They are into events, exhibition, PR, publishing, you name it, and Blossom can do anything for you in the field of marketing and advertising and promotion. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the inauguration of the wonderful Iconic Brand Award trophy and the brand book. Joining us in this presentation is with us Ubaidur Rahman Khan, MD Blossom Media Private Limited, Director BeSafe UVC Sinister Mr. Fahim Qureshi, and Azmat Khan from Indian Center for Research and Promotion. Now ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the inauguration of the tall, impressive and beautiful trophy of the Iconic Brand Award 2020, which will be couriered to every winner. So here it is in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, the wonderful trophy being inaugurated by the representatives of Blossom Media, BeSafe and ICPR. Now the inauguration of the coffee table book is taking place. This book is featuring the profile of all the winners that have participated in this Iconic Brand Award 2020. A huge round of applause for the trophy and the Iconic Brand Award book, and we thank Fahim Qureshi, MD Ubaidi Rahman Qasim of Blossom Media, and Azmat of Indian Center for Research and Promotion. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is the time to introduce you with the winners of Iconic Brand of the Year Award 2020. As you all are very well aware that there are around 60 million MSMEs in India. MSMEs play a very important role and they are rightly called as the backbone of the country's economy. They provide job opportunity to millions of people. But despite that, at times they face problems like cash flow, unavailability of skilled laborers, ease of doing business, generating funds or raising capitals since many decades. Despite these existing impediments, this pandemic have hurt them very dearly. But there are few companies who, by virtue of their innovation, streamlining business and strategies, have broken the challenges big or small and emerged as the winner. Today's program, we will be honoring such companies, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to please put together a huge round of applause for the members of the Indian Iconic Brand winner family through your comment box. The winner will be announced alphabetically and not in ranking order. And to begin with, ladies and gentlemen, the first from the list of the Iconic Brand Award is RM Pictures from Pune. Let us hear it from Shrey, the founder of RM Pictures.
Thank you so much for presenting the award to RM Pictures. The company got incorporated in 2018 and we are two partners. Nishan Jaiswal is the other partner, and till now we have made 2 feature films. Both the films are international projects and we have been associated with Ms. Sonia Majid. She is the Global Peace Ambassador and Country Director of UAE World Youth Forum, and we have also introduced Ms. Ratnima Sharma from Rajasthan in our second feature film Satida. We are trying our level best to take both the films on global platforms so that people can see it and connect to the story and they can live it with all their heart. And I wish every winner on this evening for getting the award, and I wish everyone a joyful and a successful life. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much, Shrey, and many congratulations to you on this achievement. Aerial Telecom Solutions Private Limited from Mohali, Punjab is the next in the winning list of Iconic Brand Award 2020.
Hello everyone, I am Maninder Nanda, CEO and Director of Aerial Telecom Solutions Private Limited. We are a Mohali based organization established in 2010. We are working for all telecom companies, telecom operators, infrastructure providers and equipment manufacturers. Apart from telecom, we are into banking sector and into IT and ITES services. We are 3000 plus workforce and growing rapidly. Our last year turnover was 180 CR and we have been growing phenomenally in last 4-5 years. With 5G around the corner, we are hopeful of further growth in our portfolio. Other than this, we are into banking sector where we do digitalization activities and other related activities in banking sector. Into IT, we are working for routers and other data center services. We are expanding across globe also. Started our setup in Southeast Asian countries. This year we got coveted CII award for active customer engagement, and we are thankful to our customers, our employees, our partners for showing confidence in us and for making us what we are today. Thank you for considering us for this award. Hopefully we'll grow further with such acknowledgements. Thanks a lot.
And the next in the Iconic Brand Award list is Afrin #1 brand. They are into manufacturing of herbal cosmetics. So now let us hear it from the man himself.
हाय, मैं मोहम्मद बशीर, CEO बशीर मेहंदीवाला मुंबई। पिछले 140 सालों से हमारी कंपनी मेहंदी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में एक भरोसेमंद ट्रस्टेड नाम है। हमारे प्रोडक्ट ISO सर्टिफाइड है। रिटेलर और होलसेलर की सारी मेहंदी की ज़रूरत को हम पूरा करते हैं। फिर वो चाहे नेशनल मार्केट के लिए हो या इंटरनेशनल मार्केट के लिए। अभी कुछ साल पहले ही हमने आफरीन नंबर 1 और मदिया ब्रांड के नाम से ऑर्गेनिक फेस पैक एंड हर्बल सोप, कॉस्मेटिक और अगरबत्ती लॉन्च की है और इनका इंडिया और बाहर मुल्कों में बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस है। हमारे कस्टमर्स, रिटेलर, होलसेलर्स ने बशीर मेहंदीवाला के प्रोडक्ट को पसंद किया, सपोर्ट किया और ये उन्हीं का प्यार है जो आज हमने आइकॉनिक ब्रांड अवार्ड जीता है। मैं जूरी का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और ब्लॉसम मीडिया को बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने हम जैसे 100% मेड इन इंडिया ब्रांड को एक पहचान देने के लिए इतना बेहतरीन प्रोग्राम वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म के ज़रिए ऑर्गेनाइज किया। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Many congratulations to Mohammad Bashir and Afrin number 1. Agripay Solutions Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the next winner of Iconic Brand Award is Mumbai-based Agripay Solution, a fintech company which was founded in June 2017 by a spirited team of ex-bankers with a total experience of more than 15 years. Agripay is formed with the primary aim of offering easy to integrate online payment platforms. So many congratulations to Mr. Santosh Purabia and Agripay team. Again from Mumbai, we have another iconic brand winner, Amfa India Trading Private Limited.
Hello everyone, this is Mansoor Ali, founder director of Amfa India. We are pioneer in India introducing indoor air quality products like air purifiers, dehumidifiers to mainly cater the challenges of air pollution and humidity, climate change, environment, sustainability. This has been the buzzword for the global world in last 1 decade. We are delighted to be the winner of Iconic Brand 2020 award this year. This has been mainly due to our contribution during COVID times, wherein we have created a lot of awareness at pan-India level about 40 to 60% RH controlling, which has played a very important role globally. This has been our main campaign over here, especially in Mumbai. We have done a lot of work with MCGM and BMC. We are thankful to the jury and Blossom Media for considering this award this year. Thank you.
Many congratulations to the director and team of Amfa India Private Limited. Keep up the good work going. MT's Interior India Projects Private Limited from Delhi, ladies and gentlemen, is the next in the list of Iconic Brand Award winner. We have Mr. Mukhram Tewatia with us and he will throw some light about his business venture. So please hear from him.
Hi, this is Mukhram Tewatia. I am Director of MT's Interior Projects Private Limited. We are into interior contracting construction industry with a strong India presence. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Bluesum Media for organizing such world-class event, and we at MT's feel honored and proud of being one of the Iconic Brand of the Year award winner. This platform will motivate and encourage many upcoming entrepreneurs. MT's Interior Projects specialize in several sectors such as premium luxury hotels, hospitality, healthcare, commercial, corporate sector and premium residency as well as turnkey projects. I am thankful to Bluesum Media and jury for selecting us for this prestigious award. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mukhram Tewatia, and many congratulations to you on this achievement. Coming up next in the list of Iconic Brand winner is AMSIM Business Solutions from Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, AMSIM Business Solution work in the field of intellectual property, providing consultancy, patent related service, offering trademark assistance, copyright related work and much more. So many congratulations to Mr. Amit Baravkar and his team and AMSIM Business Solution for this achievement. Anandita Healthcare Private Limited from Noida, ladies and gentlemen, is the next in the list of Iconic Brand Award winner. Anandita Healthcare is India's leading anti-AIDS crusader through consistent supply of quality male and female protection and contraceptive gears to the Government of India's Family Planning and AIDS Control Program. They are also into manufacturing of surgical gloves. The production capacity is whopping. They produce 550 million protection gears and 50 million surgical gloves per annum. Their commitment and whopping numbers from Anandita Healthcare deserves a huge round of applause. So many congratulations to Mr. Anup Ghosh, the MD of Anandita Healthcare and his whole team. Astra Chemicals from Chennai, Tamil Nadu is the next Iconic Brand Award winner. Astra Chemical is a leading manufacturer and supplier of industrial chemicals to national and international market. The USP is the chemical produced by them is in a precise range of pH, optimum effectiveness and enhanced shelf life. Hence, their products are in great demand. Many congratulations to Mr. Shanklesh Chhabria and the team of Astra Chemicals for this achievement. Coming up next is Autoflow from Punjab, ladies and gentlemen. The founder, Mr. Grish Grover, with us. So let us hear it from him.
I am from Autoflow, Ludhiana. Thanks to organizers, Blossom Media, who select our brand as an iconic brand of India. Really, it's very proud feel moment for me. We are dealing in 500 automobile products. Some of products are unique products and some of products are patent products, which are containing 6 crore product liability insurance. My earlier mentor, who unfortunately who is no more now, he told me, brand is second life of every businessman. Really, it's become true by giving you award of iconic brand. My existing mentor, who is promoting me, guiding me, protecting me, and every time pushing me to fight on front foot in business competitions. Really, this award devoted to him. Thanks to Blossom Media. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much, sir, and many congratulations on this achievement, and our wishes that Autoflow wins many deserving titles. Coming up next is Bay's Kitchen. Founded by a few bunch of foodies, Bay Kitchen is soon becoming a must name for catering in big functions. So let us hear it from the founder himself.
Hi to everyone. My name is Mohammad Maz and I am a managing partner of Bay's Kitchen Mumbai. We are extremely delighted on receiving this iconic brand award. Indeed, it is a very precious moment for me and my team. We at Bay's Kitchen provides a sumptuous food itinerary to fulfill each and every catering need. We bring you the best from all cuisine to suit your event, to suit your taste and even your pocket. While we work towards adding new item into our menu, we never compromise the authenticity for novelty. We are glad to be recognized by our client as one providing best compatible service and 100% hygiene. Our USP is we have managed to Indianize the famous Middle Eastern cuisines. So while you let your food worries to us, we let you enjoy your special moments. I congratulate to all the other winners and I sincerely thank to the jury members, to the people who nominated us, to Blossom Media for giving such a great platform and recognizing our brand. Thank you everyone. Thank you once again.
So thank you so much and many congratulations to the whole team of Bay Kitchen on this achievement. The next in the list of iconic brand winner is Bharat Unani Pharmacy from Hyderabad. The purity of their product is such that they have thrown an open challenge to find any adulteration in their product and win a cash prize of Rs 10,000. But so far no one has won it. I am sure like me even you are curious to know more about this brand. So let us hear it from Dr. Najibuddin, the founder of Bharat Pharmacy.
This is Dr. Najib, proprietor of Bharat Unani Pharmacy, Hyderabad. We are ISO 22000 and GMP certified company. We sell 100% natural honey which is EGMA grade A and recently it has also passed NMR test. It has been our passion to collect natural honey directly from the source so that the consumer gets 100% raw natural honey. Our most popular products is Nuskha Arabia, which is a combination of garlic juice, ginger juice, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar and honey, which is very useful for weight reduction and heart related ailments. Other products include many Unani halwas. We manufacture all the halwas in 100% natural honey. We are really thankful to the Blossom Media that they have recognized our genuine efforts and honored us with the iconic brand award, and it inspires us and encourages us to continue this journey to provide these world-class Unani medicines to the consumer.
Thank you so much Dr. Najibuddin and many congratulations to Bharat Unani Pharmacy for winning this award. Chartering Ro-Ro Freight System is the next in the list of iconic brand award winner. Ladies and gentlemen, the USP, unique selling proposition of Chartering Ro-Ro is that their client find them as a company which firmly believes in business ethics, total commitment to the client's need and requirement, and quest for delivering excellence. These three combinations have set Chartering Ro-Ro apart from the rest in the field of logistics. They have their presence in many states of India and have tie-up with the overseas counterpart, and because of that they are able to deliver offshore maritime services to many clients. Congratulations to MD Captain Parmeet Singh Bawa and all team of chartering Roro freight system. Next in the list is Cloud Prism Solution from Pune. This is a tech firm and we have the founder Pratik Prashun with us. So let us hear it from him.
Thank you for nominating Cloud Prism Solutions. We are Salesforce implementation company. So we started in 2018. We are a 2-year-old company and we give implementation on Salesforce. Our client is all across the globe. We have clients from United States, UK, Europe, Scotland and in India. So our vision is to give employment to youth of India and give innovating products in customer relationship market based on Salesforce. And yeah, we are pleased and we are happy that we are nominated for this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much and many congratulations to Pratik and the whole team of Cloud Prism. Cosmos International Human Resource LLP from Mumbai is the next award winner, ladies and gentlemen. They are into export of human resource and manpower to overseas countries, thus providing respectable job opportunity to unemployed youths and thereby helping the country in earning foreign exchange. Joining us is Fahad Mehman for Cosmos International.
Hello guys, my name is Fahad. I am from Cosmos International Human Resource and I am really delighted that our company has won the award of Iconic Brand 2020. Alhamdulillah, it's because of our selfless service in the last 35 years that we provide manpower from India to the Gulf countries, all types of manpower, right from labor to the doctors, engineers, MEP, EPC, everything. And it's because of this sustained efforts by my father and myself that we have received this award. I would like to personally thank Blossom Media because had it not been for them, this would not have been possible, and also the sponsors for this event. It's a little unfortunate that due to COVID restrictions the award could not be held, function ceremony, but I really accept this award gladly and thank you.
Thank you Fahad and many congratulations to Cosmos International for this achievement. Next from the Iconic Brand Award list is Chennai based Delibots. It's a franchising model providing business opportunity to the people of 2-tier and 3-tier cities. So let us hear it from the founders of Delibots.
Hi everyone, this is Muhammad Mubarak, founder and CEO of Delibots.
Hello everyone, myself Dilipan Sivanandam, co-founder and CTO of Delibots. Delibots is a unified hyperlocal delivery app for all your daily essentials. Started with a vision of promoting the go local and fueling the businesses for enabling deliveries.
Delibots is registered and recognized by Trademark of India and it's a part of Startup India. Delibots delivers fruits, vegetables, groceries, meat, medicines and also food and much more from your nearby stores. It's a great privilege and honor for us for being selected as the winner for the Iconic Brand of the Year 2020. Thanks to the Almighty God and thanks to the Blossom Media organizer for nominating us. Delibots promotes local businesses to enable their deliveries and gain more businesses from their local market. With Delibots, customers need not wait in long queues, save time, save money. Overall, customers can say no to storage of fruits and vegetables or meat, as Delibots offers no minimum order for shopping. Having begun our operation during the mid of lockdown, we are now fastest growing essentials delivery app in India.
We have great futuristic business model ready for you. We have 2 franchise models and you can choose your suitable one. We invite entrepreneurs to take franchise across India and become a successful, we call it as a Delipreneur, and grow with us.
We wholeheartedly extend our special thanks to our parents, family and every member of the Delibots team, without whom this achievement would not have been so easy. And of course, Delibots thanks the Blossom Media for organizing such a wonderful awards function and motivating the startups like us. Thank you Blossom Media and each and every one of you for nominating Delibots for this wonderful award.
Thank you Blossom Media and thank you all nominating us for this great award.
Thank you.
Thank you and many congratulations to Delibots. Dharni Life Skills Private Limited from Hyderabad is the next. They are in providing e-literacy and ICT awareness to the students of the underprivileged section. They have touched and transformed lives of many students. So let us hear it from the man himself about this wonderful institution.
Hello co-winners, iconic brand of the year 2020. I am Muralidhar Achula, CEO Dharni Life Skills Private Limited, established in April 2019. What we do? We implement the SDG goals 4 and 8, that is quality education, decent work and academic growth. Our product is ICT education and employability skills training at the doorstep of rural people, that is youth, women and children. Our vision is transform rural areas into digital empowered societies. Our mission to enable quality education to all rural people and create an access to the training program employability skills by which they acquire the employable skills and lead the life with dignity. Regarding iconic brand of the year 2020 award, when we received the mail on 10th December, we excited and very happy to being recognizing the award. Further, we are also excited our company is being covering in the coffee table book, as well as we are also recognizing our company as a ISO 9001-2015 certification from Euro Britain Certifications Limited UK. We heartfelt thanks to the Blossom Media Private Limited Mumbai to recognizing our services in the society. Thank you once again. Namaste.
Thank you so much Mr. Achule for being here with us and many congratulations to your team. Next in the list is Elichem System Private Limited from Punjab. What was started by Mr. Gurpreet Singh as a one-man army has now turned into a company of over 100 staff. They have adopted over 210 government schools to take care and for the upliftment of the underprivileged students. To speak more on this, I invite Mr. Gurpreet Singh.
Myself Gurpreet Singh, I am Managing Director of Elichem Systems Private Limited Mohali. We are manufacturing heat sinkable and cold sinkable power cable joints and terminations from 1.1 kV up to 36 kV voltage rating. We are also manufacturing complete range of polymeric insulators up to 36 kV along with complete range of lightning arresters. We are supplying all these products to various electricity boards, almost all the electricity boards in India, along with a long list of private customers, satisfied customers. We are also exporting these products to various countries. Our company is into manufacturing of these products since 1999. All our products have been type tested at CPRI as per IS standards and as per IEC standards. Our company is ISO 9001, 40001 and 45001 certified company. We are thankful to Blossom Media for giving us this iconic award 2020. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much Mr. Gurpreet Singh and many congratulations to the whole team of Elichem Systems Private Limited. Again from Punjab we have our another iconic brand winner, Fenglu India Private Limited. They are winner of various business excellence awards and under the leadership of Mr. Charanjit Singh, the company has progressed leaps and bounds. Ladies and gentlemen, inviting Charanjit Singh to speak more about Fenglu India Private Limited.
Hi, I am Charanjit Singh, Managing Director of Fenglu India Private Limited. Our product range are aluminium windows, doors, ceilings, railings, main doors and the main gates. Sliding main gates is a specialty in our systems, and we also focusing on the thermal break window system, which is very new to India, and this product is very affordable for the villas, big houses and the multi-story buildings.
Thank you Charanjit ji and many congratulations to the whole team of Fenglu India for this achievement. From Thane, Maharashtra, we have Fresh Drops as an iconic award winner. This winner is on the mission of providing India with chemical-free, unadulterated, hygienically packed edible oil. Let's hear it from Mr. Asif Iqbal, the man behind this idea and business.
Hello everyone and greetings from Fresh Drop. I'm Asif Ansari. We are based in Bhiwandi near Thane since 2019. We have started this venture with a vision to provide 100% pure and healthy edible oils for edible and personal care purpose. We are extracting the best quality seeds to provide you the best of the oils from the nature. Our mission is to make India healthy by providing best of oils in purest form, which should be from chemical free and non-adulterated. We appreciate Blossom Media for providing us the opportunity to be part of this year's virtual award program. Thank you all.
Thank you very much and very well done, Team Fresh Drop. Definitely India needs to eat healthy and hygienic. Thank you so much and many congratulations on this achievement. The next winner is Mumbai-based Global Care Foundation. This organization is very unique in its approach. They provide legal aid and awareness, financial aid for non-habitual under trials, and after their proper counseling, they bring them back in the mainstream. Mr. Abid Ahmed Kundalam is with us to inform us more about his venture.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम आबिद अहमद और ग्लोबल केयर फाउंडेशन का मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी है। ग्लोबल केयर फाउंडेशन मुंबई का चैरिटी कमिश्नर से रजिस्टर्ड है, 2017 में रजिस्टर हुआ है और इसका मेन मकसद काम ग्लोबल केयर फाउंडेशन का क्राइम प्रिवेंशन है, जिसके अंदर मेन काम जो है वो जेलों में ऐसे कैदी जो कि कई वक्त से या तो कम टाइम से जेलों में हैं और बहुत गरीब हैं, नॉन हैबिचुअल्स। आज जो पूरा माहौल चल रहा है कि लोग जेलों में फंसे हुए बहुत सारे लोग, या तो कोर्ट कचहरी के मसले लोगों को पता नहीं है, तो उसकी बेसिक वजह यह है कि लोगों को लीगल अवेयरनेस नहीं है। अभी तक का हमारी तरफ से, हमारी कोशिशों से, अल्लाह की मदद से 130 कैदी अभी तक बाहर निकल चुके हैं। हम लोगों ने कोशिश किया है कि मैक्सिमम अभी तक के 40 से ज़्यादा लीगल अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम हम लोगों ने कंडक्ट किया है। लीगल अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम के अंदर हम लोगों ने एक और कोशिश ये की है कि लॉ स्टूडेंट्स को हम लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग देने का काम किया है। दूसरी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि हमारे पैनल्स के अंदर हम एक्सपर्टीज़ को ऊपर रखते हैं, काम की सेंसिटिविटी को ध्यान में रखते हुए डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस और अप्रूवल्स, परमिशंस, ये सब चीज़ों का खासा ध्यान रखें और एक्सपर्ट की निगरानी में ये काम हो ताकि काम का डायरेक्शन सही हो।
Thank you, Mr. Abid. Definitely you and your team are doing a wonderful and stupendous job. Keep up the good work going and many congratulations. Next iconic award winner is Halal Trade Zone HTZ from Bangalore, Karnataka. It is one of its kind platform in India. So let's hear it from HTZ CEO Mr. Noor Muhammad.
Thanks to Blossom Media for this opportunity to talk about Halal Trade Zone, which was founded in 2009 with an intention to provide a platform for halal businesses to connect with each other and to make halal products easily available to consumers both locally and globally. Since 2009, we had a very adventurous journey. We initially had both B2B and B2C features combined in one place on halaltradezone.com. After testing the initial model, we made Halal Trade Zone a completely dedicated B2B platform with a kind of Halal Chamber of Commerce features included in it, and Alhamdulillah we now have a global network covering the North America, South Americas, Europe, Africa, Russia, Middle East and Southeast Asia. I am very thankful to the jury and people who nominated us, and we appreciate Blossom Media's efforts to recognize and promote made in India halal products. Inshallah, in 2021, Halal Trade Zone will be the most important platform for the Indian halal brands to enter and capture the global halal market, which is over around $600 billion. Finally, I thank again Blossom Media for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Highlight by Shosho RAC from Vadodara, Gujarat is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award. Let us hear it from Rajat Singhania, the man behind this business venture.
Hi, my name is Rajat Singhania. I am the founder of Highlight by Sociorag. Highlight is a secured and unified information management and business collaboration platform rolled into one. Simply put, Highlight helps you pull any kind of information from any app, any product, any data silo onto Highlight easily and instantly in 1, 2 or 3 clicks, interconnected on multiple parameters across different folders. Find it instantly based on multiple criteria Share it seamlessly with your internal and external stakeholders and pull it back when you want, and also control how these different people can use your information. In short, a 360-degree solution for all your important information to be managed securely. So what Highlight gives you is one single platform to help you become powerful, productive and profitable. I am delighted to be selected as an iconic brand for the year 2020, and I thank Blossom Media and all their team for giving us this unique honor. And we are here to help people work smarter, work better and save precious time and money and take the best possible decisions to grow their business in the shortest time possible. Do you have any information you are looking for? Is it not on Highlight? You need Highlight today. Thank you.
Thank you so much Rajat ji, and many congratulations to you on this achievement. Idafa Investments Private Limited from Mumbai, this winner of Iconic Brand Award, has an interesting business module. They are into screening and investment in Indian stock market in ethical way. Many congratulations to Mr. Ashraf Mohammadi, its founder, and the whole team of Idafa Investment. Let us hear it from Ashraf Mohammadi.
I'm Ashraf Mohammadi, the CEO of Idafa Investments, and Idafa Investments has been offering Sharia compliant wealth management and advisory services since 1993. Over the past 27 years, we have partnered with people in their process of creating wealth, and at the same time, we've also done something very unique, and that is creating awareness by reaching out to people, organizing seminars, courses, events in colleges, schools, religious places, and getting more and more people involved and aware in the process of savings and investments. So that is what Idafa has been doing very diligently for the past 27 years as a matter of our service to the nation. I'm also very proud and privileged to be associated with the Iconic Brands Award, being shortlisted for the award for the services that we are providing, and we really congratulate the team Blossoms Media for this amazing initiative.
Thank you so much Mr. Ashraf Mohammadi, and many congratulations. Indian Auto Wheels from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award. They have won many other Business Excellence Award under the able leadership of Mr. Dilshad Ahmed. Indian Auto Wheel Group has broadened its horizon by focusing on quality delivery, flexible manufacturing system. Indian Auto Wheels cater to the esteemed clients that includes Ashok Leyland, Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Tata, Volvo, Eicher and many more. Many congratulations to Mr. Dilshad and the whole team of Indian Auto Wheels on this achievement. Inox Color Private Limited from Haryana is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award. Inox Color is a pioneer and into supplying of high quality and defining range of designer stainless steel sheets in all patterns. Many congratulations to Mr. Amit Arya and his team for winning Iconic Brand of the Year award. Next winner of Iconic Brand Award, ladies and gentlemen, is Interface Pharmaceuticals Private Limited from Delhi. It is into manufacturing and providing nutraceuticals for livestock. An ASSOCHAM award winner, their initiatives has helped many farmers and poultry business owners. Their products are in great demand not only in India but also in Kuwait, Bangladesh and Nepal. Many congratulations to Mr. Sudhir Malhotra and all the staff of Interface Pharmaceuticals on this achievement. Jadoo Aahe from Pune is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award. It is an initiative started to offer people with food which is purely made by the organic stuff. Dubai's singing sensation Sonia Majid is in love with the food offered by Jadoo Aahe, and hence she has become the brand ambassador of this company. To speak more on this, we have Mr. Shantanu Kumar, one of the founder of Jadoo Aahe, with us.
Good evening. Jadoo Aahe is Pune-based startup company with a vision to provide pure organic and hygienic and pocket-friendly food to the people. We are pleased to have a team who works day and night so that company can expand itself on a bigger dimension. On this evening, I would like to thank you for giving us a award. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shantanu Kumar, and many congratulations to you and the whole team of Jadoo Aahe for Iconic Brand Award achievement. Coming up next from Thane, Maharashtra is Lahas Green, ladies and gentlemen. Lahas Green Private Limited is basically into the business of waste management and renewable energy. They work very closely with institutions, housing societies, municipal councils. They provide tailor-made solutions for waste management and renewable energy. Mr. Sai Prasad Prabhu Khanolkar, Mr. Gulab Jadhav and Mr. Prasad Wani are the backbone of the company. Many congratulations to them and all the staff of Lahas Green India Private Limited on this achievement. Landsteel Projects Private Limited from Chennai is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award. To speak more on this, we have Mr. Srinivasan with us.
Hi everyone, we are glad that we have won the Iconic Brand Award of the year 2020. I am Mr. Srinivasan, the Managing Director of Landsteel Projects Private Limited. We as structural consultants have been servicing in this industry for more than 17 years. We do offer services like structural design, construction, project management services for various commercial and industrial markets. Our vision is to provide quality construction services with our true values and fairness in relationship with our customers and business stakeholders. We constantly focus on prefabricated buildings. Keeping the global needs in mind, we are also developing the portable steel buildings. Our dedicated design team and the skilled engineering construction team are the pillars behind our success. Once again, we thank the Blossom Media Private Limited for recognizing the Landsteel Projects Private Limited. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Srinivasan, and many congratulations to you and the whole team of Landsteel Projects India Private Limited on this achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, we have almost reached the halfway of the presentation. There are few more to be introduced from the India's Iconic Brand Award family. I request you, hit it for them, root for them through your comment box. Lunara Beauty from Maharashtra, Thane is the next Iconic Brand Award winner. The product from the stable of Lunara is in itself a campaign against the mighty cosmetic houses who bank on the idea of whiteness of the skin. Through Lunara, the message is loud and clear that you can take care of your skin, its beauty, but you cannot change the complexion by just a cream costing few thousand rupees. Lunara Beauty uses ingredients which are organic and chemical free, and 5% of their earnings is donated to the Humanity First Foundation. Proud that such products which are socially relevant are part of this Iconic Brand Award list. Many congratulations to the whole team of Lunara Beauty and especially its founder Samia Sayyed. Mahida & Sons from Gujarat is the next in the list of Iconic Brand Award winner. Under the brand name Hiru, they offer one of the best pain relief oil in India. Hiru is one of the trusted and prominent name in the joint pain care segment. The products are scientifically formulated considering modern and ancient Ayurvedic technology. Many congratulations to Mohammad Hussain Mahida and his team on this achievement. Next Iconic Award winner is from Mumbai, Maqbool Scientific Optician. Maqbool Scientific Opticians since last 5 decades have been a reputed name in the field of modern eye testing and ophthalmic dispensing. In these 50 years of their existence, they have gained trust of the customers not only from India but also from abroad. They are well known for offering quality product and service at an affordable price. They have tie-ups with international brands like Jaguar, Montblanc, Prada, etc. They are one of the first to introduce automated machinery for the fine customization of lenses. Many congratulations to Mr. Usman Maqbool for winning Iconic Brand of the Year Award 2020. Master RV Designers LLP from Mumbai is the next in the list of Iconic Award. Let us hear it from Ms. Rohini Dhabolkar about her business.
Hi, I am Rohini Dabolkar. I am a CEO from Master RV Designers. I congratulate Blossom Media for arranging and organizing these wonderful events, and we are proud of part of these Iconic Awards. We are provide PowerPoint presentations. We are make a different type of PowerPoint like a pitch deck, investor deck, company profile deck, financial deck, reports, so many designs we are making PowerPoints, and as of now we have 200 plus clients. Once again I would to thank to Blossom Media for selecting us in the top 100 iconic brand of this year. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much and many congratulations to the whole team of Master RV Designers LLP on this achievement. NS International from Rohtak, Haryana is the next in the list of iconic brand award winner. NS International is counted among the most promising manufacturing firm in the field of stainless steel fastener, automotive fastener and steel electronic fastener. Their commitment to deliver quality at competitive cost has earned a reputed name among its client, and they have carved a niche for themselves in this industry. Many congratulations to Mr. Jay Sharma and the whole team of NS International for this achievement. From Nagpur, we have New Learning Horizon as one of the iconic award winner, and representing it is Mrs. Dhiral Panchmatia. So let us hear it from Mrs. Dhiral Panchmatia more about her business venture.
Hello everyone, greetings from New Learning Horizons, Nagpur. I am Dhiral Panchmatia, proprietor NLH. We are an ISO certified institute and have completed 12 years in the field of education. We have been conducting programs in abacus, handwriting improvement, calligraphy and Vedic maths. And in the last few years, we have added coding, online classes, and we have robotics labs in schools. In this pandemic, we have been fortunate enough to spread our wings into countries where we haven't been able to access our programs. We are now into UK, USA, Thailand, Hong Kong, Oman, Dubai and in India. We have also been able to confirm country master franchisee Romania. And during these times where practically going somewhere for a program hasn't been possible, we appreciate Blossoms Media immensely for creating this program online. And we thank everybody for attending this program, and we also want to extend inviting business partners across India and across the globe. Thank you again. This is Dhiral Panchmatia, New Learning Horizons signing off. Thank you.
Thank you Dhiral ji, and many congratulations to you for this achievement. Next Gen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited from Pune, Maharashtra is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award, ladies and gentlemen. And we have with us Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman, founder partner, and let us hear it from him more about this business.
I am Abhishek Kumar Burman, Chairman and Managing Director of Next Gen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, having a brand name of Nix Money. I am really very much excited and motivated by winning this prestigious award. Receiving the reward and award is nothing but the encouragement for me and the innovation and the work done by us. I really thanks Blossom Media for giving me this opportunity. I also thanks my co-partner Ms. Sabnam Praveen for giving such a wonderful partnership in this reverse time. I also congratulate all the winners here, and I also appreciate the works done by my associates, my leaders, and having faith on our brand.
Coming up next is NutriOrg from Rajasthan, Jaipur. They are into manufacturing healthy and nutritious products, proclaiming that eating right is the cure for our ailments. To know more on this and to learn more about the NutriOrg, we have Mr. Tomar with us.
Hi, my name is Karan and I am a founder and director of NutriOrg. As the name suggests, NutriOrg means providing the high quality nutrition which is grown organically in our own farms which are situated in Rajasthan. All our products are made from the organic herbs and fruit which is grown mostly by us and our associated farmers around India. So our product, the USP of our product is that these are 100% in its purest form and unadulterated form. All our products are made from 100% organic fruits, herbs and many other ingredients, which is grown organically in India, around India. Yes, we are very excited to know that we won the award Best Iconic Brand of the Year 2020 by Blossom Media. So we all are very excited, and this is just because of our team, hard work, and especially after COVID-19, we believe that our team did a very good job to provide these kind of products to our customers on time and everything. And that I personally believe that this award goes to especially to our team. This is because of because of their hard work and because of their commitment to their work, we won this award.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tomar, and many congratulations to the whole team of Nutriorg for this wonderful initiative. Pappu Prem Collection from Mumbai, ladies and gentlemen, like the name, the business of this iconic award winner is very unique. Let us hear it from Pappu Prem himself.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम पप्पू प्रेम है और मैं मुंबई से हूँ और मेरा बिजनेस मेरे नाम से ही है, पप्पू प्रेम कलेक्शन मुंबई। और मेरा बिजनेस क्या है, एक यूनिक बिजनेस है मेरा। यूनिक ये है कि हमारी जो देश की इतिहास की जो भी करेंसी है, जो भी नोट्स हैं, जो भी कॉइन्स हैं, उसका पूरा का पूरा विवरण है हमारे पास में। बहुत ही अच्छी एल्बम्स हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा कलेक्शन है हमारे पास में इस चीज़ का। हमारी जो एल्बम्स हैं और हमारी जो फाइल्स हैं, हमने काफ़ी जगह पे इनको भेजा है, काफ़ी जगह पे हमने इनको म्यूजियमों में रखवाया है, कॉलेजों में भी हमने इनको भिजवाया है और इंटरनेशनल पे भी हमारा काफ़ी बड़ा डिमांड रहता है इस चीज़ का, तो हम उन लोगों को भी इस चीज़ को भेजते हैं। हमें कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि हमारा एक ये छोटे से बिजनेस से कि भारत का जो भी इतिहास है आउट ऑफ इंडिया के लोगों को भी पता चलता है और वो भी बहुत ही एक्साइटेड रहते हैं इंडियन करेंसी को लेने के लिए और उसके साथ कलेक्शन करने के लिए। बहुत से लोगों ने मेरे इस बिजनेस को आइकॉनिक अवार्ड के लिए नॉमिनेट किया है। मेरे लिए इसकी बहुत गर्व की बात है, इसके लिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और मैं दिल से ब्लॉसम मीडिया का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ।
Indeed, it is a very unique business approach. Many congratulations for this achievement, Mr. Pappu Prem. Next winner is from Mumbai, Podar Education Network, which is currently managed by Dr. Pawan Podar. Gandhiji was the first president of the Podar group of schools. Today they have a strong network of 131 institutions spread across India. So let us hear it more about this non-agenarian.
Hello friends, I am Vishal Shah, the head marketing for Podar Education Network, a conglomerate of 131 Podar international schools spread across 10 states of the country. Friends, Podar is not a new name in the field of education and we have been in this field for past 93 years. And we are very pleased to have gathered a confidence of 1,60,000 students who are studying with us. The main mission of Podar has always been to develop and equip the children of the country to face the challenges of the 21st centuries. Our network of schools aim to fuse the Indian ethos and the cultures along with the various technologies that we acquire from around the world to make the journey of the student very exciting. Friends, we are very happy and pleased to receive this iconic Brand of the Year award. This only acknowledges the hard work that has been put up by our entire staff of Podar Education Network. So on behalf of them, I would like to thank everyone once again for this iconic Brand of the Year award. Thank you.
Thank you and many congratulations to Podar Education Network for this achievement. Next winner is Pooja Machines Private Limited from Punjab. Pooja Machine is into manufacturing and exporting quality products since decades. From selling 3,000 machines in its initial year of inception to selling 2 lakh machines per annum, Pooja Machine has come a long way. Today they have widest range of sewing machines, fans and industrial transformers in the market, and they enjoy a good presence not only in India but also in international market, namely UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Mali, Myanmar, Libya, Nepal, Gabon, etc. Many congratulations to Mr. Arvind Gupta and the whole team of Pooja Machines Private Limited. PostLab Next Gen POS from Bangalore, Karnataka, founded by Mr. Shahid Pasha, provides consultancy and service to clients not only in India but in many overseas countries like USA, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Tanzania, Jamaica, Kuwait, etc. So let us hear it from the man himself about his business venture.
Hi friends, hi, my name is Shahid. I am the founder and the director of EM Software Technology. Well, I like to thank to Blossom for giving this opportunity to speak about our company, and I also like to thank everyone who are watching this video. Well, my company started 10 years ago and we have almost completed 10 years. Our main core business are website development, digital marketing, and point of sale. We have clients from many countries, yes, especially from India, Middle East, US, UK, Australia, and Tanzania, and few more from South Africa. We have a company which is POS Lab, which deals with retail POS and restaurant POS. We have many clients in India and in Middle East. We provide complete retail POS and as well as restaurant POS for business. Well, we have received many awards in last couple of years. Yes, even we have been published in many magazines for our performance. Yes, we have a plan for expanding our business across globe very soon. And thanks again for everybody watching this video.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shahid, and many congratulations to POS Lab Next Gen POS. Pramada FinServ from Jharkhand is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award and is managed by Mr. Rajneesh Singh. Mr. Singh is with us, so let us hear about his business venture from him.
Hi, my name is Rajneesh Singh. I am founder and director of Pramada FinServ Private Limited. Pramada is a financial product distribution company. Pramada designs and monitors its client portfolio in a manner that is appropriate their risk level and allows them to achieve their specific objective. Pramada have been granted India 500 Startup Awards and top 10 Wealth Management Advisor Awards by CEO Insight magazine. I am feeling very happy that you people are doing very good job. It's good motivation and recognition to all our efforts. I congratulate Blossom Media for arranging and organizing such a wonderful virtual event, and we feel very happy of being one of the Iconic Award winner. Once again, we feel very proud and getting this award, and we like to thank jury for that appreciating Pramada's work, what they are doing for the society. Thank you.
Many congratulations to Mr. Rajneesh Singh and all staff of Pramada FinServ. Purple Tulip from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu is the next in the list of Iconic Brand Award winner. Purple Tulip from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu is one of the most sought after event industry specialists in the southern part of India. It is a one-stop solution for all the event needs. However big or small the event is, Purple Tulip, according to the requirement, gives the best to enhance and leverage the result. Founded by Rakhi Shah, Purple Tulip is the event management company which is run with thorough professionalism and experts. Many congratulations to Rakhi Shah and the whole team of Purple Tulip for this achievement. Coming up next is from Guwahati, Assam, Radha Krishna Sales Private Limited, managed by Mr. Harish Gulati. Radhe Krishna Sales Private Limited is into the business of supplying agro commodities, spices, dry fruits, perishable and non-perishable goods. By virtue of this business, Radhe Krishna Sales are helping farmers to earn a decent income. Many congratulations to Mr. Harish Gulati and his team for winning Iconic Brand of the Year award. Next winner is Rightways Enviro Private Limited from Bangalore, Karnataka, founded by Ms. Monica Srivastava. Rightways is one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of wide range of waste management equipment. Let's hear it more about this venture.
Hi, I'm Neeraj from Rightways. Rightways is about sustainable living. For every individual to participate towards, let's say, the bigger cause of reversing the global climate change, it is very important that everything needs to get decentralized, where you and me can be actual part of the solution. So that is what Rightways has been trying to figure out, how do we do that, and we've over the years done quite a few experiments with different things. So we have been sort of building things for recycling organic waste. So today We have three verticals. One is about composting of food waste and then recycling of wastewater. And the third is about growing food at home. So we are very happy that the jury has selected our company, and it gives us, a sort of belief in what we are doing, and it's a very nice feeling.
Thank you so much and many congratulations to Ms. Monica Srivastava and all the staff of Rightways Enviro Private Limited. DKS Ortho and Sharma Pharmaceuticals Private Limited from Vadodara, Gujarat is the next iconic award winner. DKS Ortho and Sharma Pharmaceuticals Private Limited is a reputed name in the field of manufacturing instruments and implants for the orthopedic vertical. DKS Ortho and Sharma Pharmaceuticals are not only in demand in India but also in the international market. Many congratulations to Dayanand Kishore and the whole team of DKS Ortho and Sharma Pharmaceuticals for this achievement. Ridzi School Private Limited from Sikandrabad, Telangana is also the winner of Iconic Brand Award 2020.
Preschool sector is a very big sector that's coming up in the market in India. We as Ritzi are coming in as the most organized preschool. What is it that makes the parent keep the child in your school for the next 4 years of his kindergarten life is your curriculum.
We are the only school in the world who got 2 European Business Awards in December 2019 in Poland in competition with 150,000 companies.
We want them to study in a very healthy and secure environment. As our entire premises is carpeted, it acts as a safety net. Just in case a child falls or anything, nothing happens.
We were training the teachers for 250 hours and we're giving the Cambridge certificates. I personally, being a child psychologist, work with the Italian government in the integration programs. This is very good for IT people. Here we are building the whole ecosystem.
Shivam Industrial Tool from Punjab is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award. We have with us Dr. Balbir Singh to speak more about this business venture.
मैं बलबीर सिंह शिवम इंडस्ट्रियल टूल कंपनी का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ। हमने अपने कंपनी की स्थापना 2005 में एक छोटी औद्योगिक इकाई के रूप में की। हमने शुरू से ही लगन और मेहनत से कार्य किया। हमने अपने उत्पादों की गुणवत्ता के साथ कभी कोई समझौता नहीं किया और हमेशा ही ग्राहकों की संतुष्टि के हिसाब से ही कार्य किए और हमने अपना उत्पादों में नई तकनीक का प्रयोग किया, जिसके फलस्वरूप हमारी इकाई का विकास बहुत तेज़ी के साथ हुआ और आज हम अपने उत्पाद निर्यात भी कर रहे हैं। शुरू में हमने सिर्फ हॉट रोलिंग मिल्स पर काम शुरू किया और गुणवत्ता के लिए हमने इन हाउस कास्टिंग का प्लांट लगाया और आज हम शुगर प्लांट, स्पॉन्जर प्लांट और अन्य तरह के सीमेंट प्लांट और कई तरह के कास्टिंग इन हाउस ही करते हैं। हमारी बाज़ार पर निर्भरता भी कम हुई है और हम गर्व से कह सकते हैं कि हमने कई उत्पादों में दक्षता प्राप्त की है।
Thank you so much, Dr. Singh, and many congratulations to Shivam Industrial Tool on this achievement. SK Ensure Machinery Private Limited from Faridabad, Haryana is the next in the list of Iconic Brand Award winner. And we have the CEO, Mr. Pradeep Kamal, with us. So let us hear it more about this business from him.
Hello friends, I am Pradeep Kamal. I am the Managing Director of SK Ensure Machinery Private Limited from Delhi, Faridabad. We are into the manufacturing of screen printing machines, pad printing machines, UV coating curing machines, offset printing machines, and many types of printing and drawing machines for the printing segments. We have our own manufacturing company. We are ISO 9001 2015 certified company, and so far we have successfully installations in all parts of India, many cities, many districts and states. With that, we have our installations in countries like US, UK, Canada, Dubai, Sri Lanka. More than 25 countries we have our successful installations. We have our own customer care department which works for 24 hours for our clients, and we have our dealer network too in all over India as well as in many countries. We would like to thanks to the Blossom India for giving us this opportunity to get this award for Icon Brand of the Year 2020. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pradeep Kamal, for joining us, and many congratulations on this achievement. Coming up next is SK Outsourcing Private Limited from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. SK Outsourcing is into payroll management, compliance management, manufacturing process solution, manpower solutions. SK Outsourcing is an internationally awarded company. They have won Gold Star Award at UAE. Many congratulations to Mr. Madhukar Motiram Patil and the whole team of SK Outsourcing Private Limited for another feather in their hat. Brand Super Basket from the House of Todas Food Private Limited is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award from Mumbai. Super Basket exists as people want and deserve better meat, fresh fish, seafood. Super Basket delivers them fresh at the doorstep of the customers. They offer range of meat, fresh fish and seafoods which are chemical and antibiotic free. Many congratulations to Mr. Nizamuddin Khan and the whole team of Todas Food Private Limited for this wonderful achievement. Usha Exim Private Limited from New Delhi is also in the list of Iconic Brand Award winner.
Hello everyone, I'm Leo Shastri. I'm the Director of Operations and Strategy at Usha Exim. We are a SEDEX certified ethical fair trade multi-product export organization that started its operations in 1994. At Usha, whether it's apparel, bags, footwear or handicrafts, each product brings a change in the lives of so many people. Our goal is to ensure that fairness, equality and justice is a solid part of our supply chain. In the recent past, we started a medical pharmacy and a health clinic to provide support to artisans and many other underprivileged people of that society and community. We also started a small school that provides free education to about approximately 500 lovely young girls. So I want to thank Blossom Media for honoring us with this amazing award. We hope to continue working hard and achieving greater goals in the near future. Thank you so much.
Next is Unifoods from Mumbai. They are into a very unique business, and to know more about this idea, we have Mr. Sajid Sayyed with us.
I am Wajid Ali Sayyed, Director of Unifoods Mumbai. Unifood is into the business of catering since 12 years. The concept of our business is unique as we cater only to the corporate and hospitals. We serve to MSMEs and large companies from the government and private hospitals in many states. We have a team of qualified and experienced dietitian and nutritionists provide healthy food to our clients. We thank them and Blossom Media for this platform and opportunity. My heartiest congratulations to the members of Iconic Award family, the winners, organizers and others. Thank you.
Thank you so much Mr. Wajid Sayyed and many congratulations on this achievement. Again we have another winner from New Delhi, Venprom Life Science Private Limited. Venprom Life Sciences, a pharmaceutical company, is involved in serving society with the innovative products and providing quality of life to patients suffering from acute migraine, muscle pain, schizophrenia, depression, anxiety, stroke and OCD. They serve at pan-India level and soon will start their international operation. All the products manufactured by Venprom Life Sciences are ISO certified and also WHO GMP certified. Many congratulations to Mr. Prerit Sharma and the whole team of Venpro Life Science for this achievement. Next, ladies and gentlemen, is Venture Automotive Tooling India Private Limited from Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. Let us hear it from Mr. Shravanan Janagiraman more about his business.
Hello everyone. Greetings from Venture Automotive India. Happy that we have been shortlisted among winners for the iconic brand of the year 2020. Our world-class manufacturing tool room at Sri City near Chennai being equipped with great infrastructure catering to global automotive sectors. Our quality department have been equipped with one of the largest CMM, which can able to measure up to a size of a car. We do have largest injection molding machines up to the capacity of 2,500 tons with robotic accessories. We can able to support for molding production as well. So this is our strength, and our team is completely energized and equipped after COVID to ensure that our potentials are being tapped. Thanks once again for Blossom teams for this award. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, Mr. S. Janakiraman, and many congratulations to you on this achievement. Coming up next is Vishal Corporation from Hyderabad, Telangana. We have with us Mr. Vishal Modani to speak more about his business.
Hello friends, this is Vishal Modani from Vishal Corporation. We would like to introduce ourselves as a reputed supplier of welding electrodes, consumables and all kinds of special alloys. We cater to major all kind of industries like pharma, cement, sugar, pre-engineering, heavy building and all, as well as government enterprises. We at Vishal Corporation look forward to associate with your company and give all best value services and cooperate ourselves for mutual growth. I would like to give special thanks to Blossom Media for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vishal Modani, for joining us, and many congratulations to you and your team on this achievement. Coming up next from Kolkata, West Bengal is Vitabolic Pharmaceuticals Private Limited in the list of Iconic Brand Award 2020.
Hi, myself Subhashish Dasgupta, founder and managing director of Vitabolic Pharmaceuticals. Vitabolic Pharmaceuticals, with a vision of healing metabolic disorders in India, for specifically for patients suffering from hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol and nerve disorders, has been doing well for the past 3 years in Delhi, Rajasthan, West Bengal and Northeast. Besides providing quality medicines at affordable prices, we have been doing active camps and patient awareness programs in the same field of metabolic disorders, for which Iconic Brand Awards has nominated us, and we are thankful to the organizers. I am sure with all the support of patients and as well as doctors, Vitabolic would be a name to reckon with. Thank you.
Wasabi Perfumes, ladies and gentlemen, is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award from Mumbai. We have with us Mr. Syed Basit. Let's hear it more about this business from him.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज बासित सैयद, CEO ऑफ वसाबी परफ्यूम मुंबई। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, इंडिया में अतर और परफ्यूम की इंडस्ट्री ये बहुत पुरानी है और यहाँ से सारे कंट्री में परफ्यूम और अतर सप्लाई होता है। वैसे तो इंडिया में बहुत से परफ्यूम ब्रांड हैं जो स्टार्टअप को टारगेट करते हैं और जो लग्जरीज को भी टारगेट करते हैं, लेकिन वसाबी ने मिड रेंज में बहुत सी वैरायटीज लेकर आए हैं, जैसे अरबिक एंड फ्रेंच, इसका मिक्स कॉकटेल भी लेकर आए हैं। बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ रॉकऑन हमारे पास इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर और एक्सपीरियंस है, वही इंटरनेशनल मेयर की चीज परफ्यूम में हम वसाबी के जरिए मार्केट तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। वैसे तो इंडिया में हमारे प्रोडक्ट की बहुत डिमांड है, इसके अलावा इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में भी बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है। आई अप्रिशिएट ब्लॉसम मीडिया, जिन्होंने मेक इन इंडिया को प्रमोट करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है। हमारी ये कोशिश होगी कि इंडिया में ही नहीं बल्कि हर उस कंट्री में जहां परफ्यूम पसंद किया जाता है, वसाबी नंबर 1 ब्रांड बनकर उभरे। वसाबी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट्स टू अदर विनर्स फॉर दिस अचीवमेंट एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस।
Thank you very much, Mr. Syed Basit, and many congratulations to you and your team on this achievement. Coming up next in the list of Iconic Brand Award winner is Swatch India from New Delhi. Swatch India is the only entity which is brand licensee of reputed Switzerland-based luxury watch brand called Swatch. This luxury time machine is unique from its contemporaries as it uses renewable bio-sourced material in its watch. Both Swatch and Swatch India has won many international awards and recognitions. So many congratulations to Anushri Bose and the whole team of Swatch India for this achievement. Infoware IT Systems and Solutions Private Limited from Hyderabad, Telangana is the next winner of Iconic Brand Award 2020. Infoware Systems is an end-to-end IT solution provider. It has presence in India, Oman and Saudi Arabia. They are a reputed name specializing in the provision of enterprise resource planning solutions for the MSMEs in the areas of oil and gas, fleet and logistics, constructions, education, etc. Many congratulations to Muhammad Habibuddin, the Managing Director, and the whole team of Infoware IT Systems for this accomplishment. Ladies and gentlemen, that was all from the presentation of the second edition of Blossom Business Summit and Iconic Brand Award 2020. Once again, many congratulations to all the iconic award winners. Thanks to the sponsors and associates, and here a special thanks to the wonderful and proactive audience for their participation. Thank you all. Thank you.